This is Stephanie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to renew either your farm products license or your commodity handler's license through Ag License. If you have registered before, go ahead and enter your username and your password. For reference today, I am using a commodity handler's license. However, this will be the same for regular farm products dealers and or commodity handlers. On your account summary screen, when you first log in, you're going to see all of your basic account information, your annual purchase amounts that were entered last year, any warehouse volume if you do have that. And down in your account tasks is where we will begin the process. This year we are having a bit of a change. You're going to want to select your first account task, which will be the Verify Program Guarantee. Go ahead and select that. Once you're into the Program Guarantee page, you're going to see the information for the guarantee that we currently have on file. Please note that Program Guarantee also means your bond, your letter of credit, and or a Packers and Stockyard bond if you have one. This information will reflect what we currently have active in our office. However, to update your annual purchases, and this is for both farm and commodity handlers, you will need to copy all of this information down before we proceed. Make sure you copy your guarantee amount, the guarantee ID, which is the ID for your bond or letter of credit, your expiration date, and disregard the annual purchase that is currently on this screen. What you will need is your annual purchases from this previous year. Once you have all of that information, select Discard and then select Go. On this screen, this is where we are going to re-enter annual purchases. So for the annual purchases of this previous year. If you do not have those numbers yet, please contact your office and talk to a representative in regards to updating this information or having them help you through this process further. At this time, go ahead and enter the information you had previously. And your guarantee ID. And this year's current annual purchase amount. This is important, especially for our commodity handlers, in verifying the fees that you will be paying for this year's renewal season. Once you have that information, go ahead and select Refresh. And you will see down at the bottom under your guarantee summary data, the minimum guarantee required, the amount that you entered, your total purchases, and if you are currently short. In other words, if your bond value is out of tolerance for the percentage required for your annual purchases. If you are having a short by number populate, please contact your office. At this time, you can go ahead and select Go to proceed further. On this page, we're going to add and upload any document. Really, I understand that not everyone keeps their guarantee, their bond, letter of credit on file with them. We do have that information in our office, but for this program, please feel free to add a file. It can be a blank Word document, just to get through this process. Go ahead and select Upload. Please enter a description. You'll see your document populate down here. Please, once again, you can upload any document at this time. We do have the actual document on file in our office. If you do have an electronic copy of it, please feel free to add it. Go ahead and review all of your information to make sure that it represents this year's annual purchase amount. And submit. Completing this task for both of our farm and commodity licensees will automatically renew your annual purchases. For commodity handlers, the proper fees, if you had major purchase changes, will populate through the licensing process. For farm products dealers, the annual purchase amount is not as necessary when it comes to calculating your fees. At this time, everyone can select the next task down, which is your one license due for renewal. If you do have multiple licenses due, you can renew all of them at this time. As you can see, our license is already selected, and you can add that selected item to the cart. Please disregard the second license at the bottom of the screen. When you enter the shopping cart verification page, you will be able to see all of your information that we currently have on file in the office. If you do need to update any of your mailing information, please go ahead and select the edit button to the left and update the information as needed. To our right, you will see the renewal application. Here the link will say create when you log in for the first time to renew your license. Please click on that. Once you have selected the blue Create link, it will bring you into your application. These are the same questions that you have when completing the paper application. Please answer the questions appropriately, and this does go the same for both farm and commodity handlers. Now that you have selected Submit and updated your annual purchases for your farm and/or commodity handler license, you will be returned to your account summary screen. Once back on this screen, you will be able to renew your license for each individual program. Please see our additional videos to complete licensing for either your farm products or your commodity handler program. Thank you.